is good, wavy gang? Man, hey, I just got off work, you feel me? Hey, your boy is tired. Hey, but look, the grind did not stop. So I'm about to go to the crib, you feel me? I'm on the way back driving. Hey, I'm about to go make this video, man. So that means y'all about to get ready to go brush y'all hair, you feel me? Go, hey, get up, go brush y'all hair. Because once I upload this video, you need to be doing a 30-minute or an hour brush session. If I'm putting that work in, if I'm getting off work, you know what I mean? If I'm goddamn doing a 30-minute brush session, an hour brush session, man, you should be doing the same thing, man. Because if y'all not making it this year to for the waves and stuff, hey, we got next year, man. It's not too late, you know what I'm saying? We got till next year. So this December, you know, this Christmas, this winter, this spring, not the spring, but this fall, all that, man. Hey, look, we gonna tee up, man. And we gonna show out next summer. We gonna show what these niggas, what we talking about, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I ain't gonna tee up. Hey, I'm swerving and stuff, man. Hey, let me chill out, man. Like, nah, but look, dude, hey, before we start this video, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all do it all, man. Y'all show some love. Make sure y'all boys some love. All those people out there, man, who's getting off work and y'all want to be an entrepreneur or y'all really got a goal and something y'all want to do, bro, y'all can do it, man. Hey, real stuff, bro. Hey, all you gotta do is have that motivation, man. Just keep pushing yourselves, bro. Because, hey, we gonna get through this together. And when we look back at this video, man, we'll be like, man, you know, we really came a long way. You know what I'm saying? Not just me, but me and you, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? So look, hey, we both tired, it's all good. You know, this is temporary, you know what I'm saying? Just think of it like that, it's temporary.
It's Crossfinger, baby.
Here I come, you can't hide. Gonna find you and take it slowly. Ready or not, here I come, you can't hide. Gonna find you and take it slowly.
Hey, so we back. Hey, look, we about to start this video, man. So we gonna do a washing style method, man. So boom, I got my little shampoo. You know what I'm saying? For those who don't got a lot of progress right now, do a washing style method. This right here really enhances your waves. It gives it that full potential, man. You feel me? So I ain't gonna do too much talking, man. Let's just get into the video, man. I'm kind of excited today. You know what I'm saying? I got a lot of motivation. Hey, let's just get into it, man. Yo, villain, that's you.
Wine slow for me, tick tock for me, baby, jump it like that. I want to move slowly, cautiously, baby, I love it like that. So sing it, wine slow for me, the tick tock for me, baby, I love it like that. I want to move on, move cautiously, baby, sometimes on the side. Move slowly, cautiously, baby, I love it like that. So sing it, wine slow, the tick tock for me, baby, I love it like that. I want to move on, move cautiously, baby, sometimes.